Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new vlog. And today is my day 2 in Dubai. And just to give you an idea of what the view is, which I was not able to share with you last night, here it is. This is some tall buildings, not Burj Khalifa. I'll let you know the name tomorrow, but this is where we are. It's a beautiful view. It's a beautiful view out here, and good start to the morning. Now I'll head on to work. I will most likely get some breakfast, and let's see what we've got. Always a great thing to start your day with some work. That's when you're the most focused. Where's my spectacles? There they are. And let's get some work done. So I've just completed some part of my work. It's 9:30 a.m. over here, and I'm thinking about getting some breakfast downstairs. The second thing is I've just researched this, and it is most likely not allowed to shoot on the streets out here in Dubai. So I'll need to be mindful of that. And the second thing is I need to go today to purchase a microphone for myself, the wireless microphone which I've been thinking about purchasing for quite some time. That I'll do today. And yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Most likely I'll get much improved audio quality with that mic, and will be able to do some shooting wherever I can to show around all the places I am doing. And now let's hit the breakfast place and see how much I can shoot there. Back from Starbucks, and we'll be heading back to the room, and most likely we'll be going to the gym so that I can work out while I'm here. And yeah, then lots of things planned for the day. So I would want to speak to you about that. How is it that you can plan a workation for yourself? So if you are an MBA student, or if you're somebody who's an entrepreneur, who's self-employed, and you are in your early, days of the thing, and you know that yes, you've worked hard enough, or you plan to work hard enough for you to be able to get a good workation, then how is it that you have to make it happen for yourself? I would not make it sound to be something which is very complex. I would give you a very simple idea of it, that there are just two things which you need to do. The first thing is actually the most important thing, and the second thing which I'll be informing you, which you will think is far more important, is actually not so important. The first thing is that you need to set a goal for yourself, where you want to go. You need to start envisioning that, okay? Visualize that. So for example, when I had to plan my trip over here, I've been planning this trip for almost an year. I've been speaking to my friends and everyone for almost an year. It just, it's not going to happen instantly. I mean, we're not that rich that instantly I'll plan that, okay, next month I'm heading out to Australia and I'll just have my flights and everything done. No, we've got to plan these trips. Okay, so this needs to come from your thought process, that you need to start thinking about where you want to go and start envisioning yourself. In some other words, you can also say that it is a way of manifesting the trip, in some sense. Now, once you know where you want to go, once you know that what is it that you want to do over there, then the second thing is the finances part of it, that okay, how will you make this trip happen? A very simple thing which is very obvious is that you need to plan how much will you be spending, and there are predominantly 3 to 4 areas where you will be spending on your trip. The first thing is obviously the travel part of it, and it is not just about from your home to that place, but when you are at that place, when you will be commuting from one place to another, all of that has to also be accounted for. So say for example, if I am here, then I would be utilizing the services of their metro and also the cabs and everything else. So I need to know that okay, broadly how much do I think will I be spending on my travel each day. So you can take some kind of a average number for that and you can account for it. Then the second thing is your stay, which is going to be a very big like chunk of it. So you need to obviously start to scout for that, where will you be staying. One of the good options is to go through a Airbnb or some kind of those things. And my personal advice is to not overspend on stay. Find a stay where you can save upfront. However, it should not also be that you are staying at a place where you are not happy about it. No, you need to be extremely happy about your stay. Since you've got to focus on your work, on your startup, your stay has to be good. It needs to be comfortable. It needs to have a good Wi-Fi and everything. Around your stay, you should also be having a gym. This entire building has a gym, which is where I'll be heading now after this. So all of these things have to be there, and then your stay is going to be a major chunk of it. So just plan that accordingly, and it is very easy to find your stay and then to be able to account for it. And from there, the third thing is that the food. So one of the simplest ways to find about the food is that just search online, search some of the good restaurants of that place, that how much is their charges, and then from that you can have some kind of an idea that how much you will be spending. If you're staying at a place for a long time, then in that case you can also find probably some kind of subscription service which will effectively be far more cheaper overall. Then apart from that, the fourth thing, which is also a very important thing, which is right now it's extremely important for me, is that what are the extra expenditures which I will do when I am at that place. So for example, now that I'm here in Dubai, two of my major purchases, or three of them, are going to be a laptop, an iPhone and a microphone. Okay, these three are crucial to my work. Hence I need to constantly upgrade my tools and everything. So those are also the kind of investments which you need to account for. So that is the broad idea of how you broadly account for it, and then start to work towards how to earn for that, then how to properly invest somewhere, so that not only you're spending from your account, your bank account, you're also spending from what you're getting from your investment. So that is the broad idea, and I'm sure that as we go along on this trip, I'll be sharing with you more such ideas. Okay guys, back from the gym. So the thing is, I'm still discovering whether it is acceptable in the UAE to shoot a vlog or not, because I just went into the gym. There were a lot of females, a lot of guys out there, and I thought it might not be very comfortable for everyone if I start to shoot, like secretively or even overtly, I mean to say. So not really sure about that, but then yes, as I spend more days over here, I'll figure that out. So heading back to my room and some more work, then out for lunch. Hi guys, so back again. after the gym I went to my friend's office to have lunch with him, and now I'm back at home. On my way back I did some grocery shopping. So the problem is that one is a juice, a mixed fruit juice, and some bread and cheese. So the problem is that in the morning I've not been able to figure out what should I eat for breakfast. Too lazy to make tea for myself and all of those things. So a very convenient way to do breakfast: have juice, have bread and cheese, and get started with the day. Always helps. So that is what I'll be starting off with, and back to work. Okay guys, now on my way to the Dubai Mall. Work over for the day for now. We'll come back and work more on a lot of things, and most likely we'll also be talking about something either in this vlog or the next one. We'll talk about something with regards to your MBA, and a lot of IIMs have already announced their final admission offers. So congratulations to all of you who have been able to get a seat there, and for the others who still haven't, you will. There's a long process. You will go through a lot of it. You will go through the wait lists, but be patient for sure. So guys, right now I'm in the Dubai Mall, a very famous mall. I couldn't shoot a lot of it from here because I'm waiting for my microphone to come so that I can shoot. But one interesting thing is that you might have seen that I started off my day at Starbucks and I'm ending my day at Starbucks again. So let's enjoy a cup of coffee.